For every cast of melody sent rippling through the cigar-induced haze, there was a skip of a note, a pause, then a trespass trampling of sour notes. The disharmony would last but a moment, a bit of silence, a crescendo, consonants of fingers and keys through precision and fury along all 88 piano keys. The more the pianist blundered, the angrier and resolute the pianist became. And so, the volley of beauty and blemish raged, but no one in the house complained. So violent was the forte. The assortment of pill bottles danced and rattled atop the upright. The harmony welcomed the disharmony into its symphony, as all in the home listened in anticipation of momentary melodious perfection.